Hi everyone, it's Patty Marie with Patty Marie Art. I went ahead and taped the back of this 11 by 14 canvas, and my paints are right here. They're all Artist Loft, and I made a lot of paint in these colors, so I wanted to use them up. I mixed black and royal blue to get a dark blue. I put white in with the royal yellow, royal blue to get that color. I mixed the aqua green with the blue to get this beautiful turquoise. That's just regular aqua green, and then this is a winter green mix with the aqua green and white. All of these are Artist Loft, and then I've got the two royal blue and red that I would like to do some of the red. And then this is Winsor Newton just with water. Everything else has floetrol, water, and silicone in it. All right, so what I'm going to first do is just flood the canvas. Happy face to you guys. All right. So I'm also using my 34 Blick palette knife. I love how the shape is, the teardropped. Put some more on here. And do the sides here. So I think I'm going to use a blow dryer tonight. And my goal is to have it look like it's touching each other. So I'm going to have some of it halfway here and halfway here, and have a lot of negative space. That's what I'd like to have. That is what I envisioned, and let's see if we can get it that way. I know we can, right? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my embossing tool to go ahead and get some of these bubbles out. All right, so I missed a couple spots here. All right. Okay, let's get started. I think I want to do is the red first. Then the blue. Okay, so I want to do red over here on this side too. Okay. And then I also want to I don't have the winter green on this side. So let's put some of that on here. I want to put the navy blue. I want to put that, well, yeah, put this on here. And then I do want the put the red on this side. I think I got all the colors. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I don't have the dark black on this side. Dark color on this side. They're kind of reversed on each side, so. All right, so then I'm gonna flood it. All right, so let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and heat it up with the any bubbles. So I think I want to blow it out this way and then last blow them together. So I'm going to blow them this one this way, this one that way, then I'll blow this that way, that way. We'll see how it goes. I really like this. All the different cells that are popping up. So I want to push this out a little bit. I want it to come together a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and blow this out a little bit more. Oh, wow. That turned out really, really cool. I really like it. I'm going to blow this out right here. And blow it out right here a little bit too. Oh, this looks awesome. I'm really liking it. I'm not going to touch it anymore. It looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys down so y'all can see it. Tons of cell action. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with my embossing tool real quick. All right, there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you down for a close-up.